Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can create your account on LinkedIn. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to our Chrome and then we have to search for the LinkedIn here. I'm going to write the LinkedIn here. Now let's press the enter. And after that, as you can see, the website will be opened here. Now simply we have to click on the sign in option. So as you can see, after clicking on that, the LinkedIn will be open like this. Now what we have to do, we have to click on the sign in option here. So I'm going to click on the sign in. And after clicking on the sign in, as you can see, now we have to provide the Google ID or whatever. This is the account already added here, but I'm going to clicking on the sign in. So we have to click on the sign using another account. So as you can see, after clicking on the sign in, now simply what we have to do, we have to click on this continue with Google here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on this option, and after clicking on this, we have to choose our email address. So I'm going to clicking on this option and let's click on the confirm. I'm going to continue with this email address and my account will be created here. So as you can see, now simply we have to provide the names here. For example, I'm going to provide my name like Hisam Ali and the email is also provided here. Now simply I have to click on the agree and join option. So as you can see, now simply we have to do a verification, like let's do a quick security check. Pick the image that is the correct way. Now we have to choose that is in the correct way. I'm going to choose this one here. So as you can see, now the verification is completed. Now we will be redirected to the next step. So as you can see, now we have to choose these options here. We have to provide the location. I'm going to choose this like I am a student. So now we have to provide the details here. For example, I'm going to write the name of my university. You have to write it according to your need. Let's click on this and now we have to choose the year here. For example, I'm going to choose this one here and now we have to choose 24 here and now let's click on the continue. So as you can see, we have to provide the option like, are you looking for a job? Yes, I'm actively looking for a. Let's click on the next. We have to answer these few questions for the LinkedIn betterment that we can get the results in a better way. So I'm open to work and now we have to provide the, like, I'm going to write the video editor here. Let's write the video editor and let's choose it. And now simply we have to click on this. We can write it remote. So I'm going to write the remote here. And now you can choose whatever you want. I'm going to click on the next. So as you can see, now simply we are here, we have to click on the next, and after clicking on the next, our account will be created. So as you can see, now we are here. Now if you want to do it, you can also do that. So we have to click on the next. So in this way, you can create your profile on the LinkedIn. So as you can see, our profile is created here. So I hope you guys that how you can do that. As you can see, we have to follow some accounts here. You can follow any account if you want. You can follow them relevant to your skills. Let's click on the next here. So as you can see, we are done here. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.